Bitcoin price prediction. BTC dips to $42,475 amid big ETF moves and pre-halving mining surge. Disclosure. Crypto is a high-risk asset class. This article is provided for informational purposes and does not constitute investment advice. By using this website, you agree to our terms and conditions. We may utilize affiliate links within our content and receive commission. Fetch priority equals high decoding equals async class equals align on size vol WP image 143,754 src equals https://cryptonews.com/WP content/upload/2023/12/1,703,054,223 JPG alt equals width equals 1,280 height equals 720 src set equals https://cryptonews.com/WP content/upload/2023/12/1,703,054,223 JPG 1,280 https://cryptonews.com/WP content/upload/2023/12/1,703,054,223 23300x169 JPG 300 WA https://cryptonews.com/WP content/upload/2023/12/1,703,054,223 1,024x576 JPG 1,024 https://cryptonews.com/WP content/upload/2023/12/1,703,054,223 23768x432 JPG 768 WA https://cryptonews.com/WP content/upload/2023/12/1,703,054,223 150x84 JPG 150 sizes equals max width 1,208x100 WA 1,208x in a market where change is the only constant. Bitcoin BTC has witnessed a notable dip, currently trading at $42,471, down by nearly 50% on Wednesday. This movement comes amid significant developments in the crypto space, including the largest Wall Street evolution for Bitcoin ETFs in 3 decades, as highlighted by industry stalwart Michael Saylor. Adding to the dynamic landscape is Marathon's strategic investment of $179 million in 2 mining sites, a proactive step in anticipation of Bitcoin's upcoming halving event. Furthermore, the crypto community is abuzz with the impending flipping of Bitcoin fees, signaling a pivotal shift in the asset's transactional framework. Michael Saylor highlights historic Bitcoin ETF milestone. The establishment of a spot Bitcoin exchange-traded fund ETF could be the biggest Wall Street event in 30 years, according to MicroStrategy co-founder and Bitcoin advocate Michael Saylor. In an interview with Bloomberg, Saylor compared the potential impact of a spot Bitcoin ETF to the development of the S&P 500 index fund in the early 1990s. The $BTC spot ETF may be the biggest development on Wall Street in the last 30 years. My discussion of hash Bitcoin in 2024, spot ETFs versus $MSTR, and the emergence of Bitcoin as a treasury reserve asset with it. Kylie Lanes on Bloomberg at Crypto. Pic Twitter.com/QTPDBOMDR. Michael Saylor at Saylor December 19, 2023. He emphasized that approval would grant regular investors access to Bitcoin through a high bandwidth compliant channel, potentially increasing demand and leading to a supply shock coinciding with the Bitcoin halving event in April. According to Saylor, there could be a significant upswing in the price of Bitcoin by 2024. Driven by increased institutional and retail participation. Marathon invests $179 million in mining sites pre-Bitcoin halving. Bitcoin mining company Marathon Digital plans to spend $178.6 million to partner with Generate Capital for the acquisition of 2 operating mining sites, aiming to double its hash rate over the next 2 years. This investment positions Marathon to enhance its mining capabilities ahead of the 2024 Bitcoin halving. The 2 sites, located in Texas and Nebraska, will increase Marathon's total mining capacity to 910 megawatts, 45% of which it will own. This strategic move is expected to reduce the cost of mining a single Bitcoin by 30%. The acquisition is anticipated to bolster Marathon's competitive stance in the Bitcoin mining industry, positively impacting its financial and operational capabilities. The report, highlighting further expansion and investment in mining infrastructure, could influence Bitcoin's market price. Imminent shift in Bitcoin transaction fees on horizon. By 2024, Bitcoin is expected to attract developers to build smart contract applications, potentially challenging Ethereum's dominance. There are predictions of Ethereum's use cases migrating to Bitcoin due to its perceived superior proof-of-work consensus and fee structure. Ethereum's shift to a proof-of-stake model is seen as a vulnerability, reflecting issues of wealth disparity prevalent in traditional finance. The fact that Bitcoin's transaction fees have overtaken mining subsidies has alleviated long-term security concerns. Realistically, how can BRC20 hash Bitcoin ordinals achieve mass adoption if the transaction fee is 50x higher than hash Ethereum? Balakale Ventola at Ball 69,288 Ventola December 17, 2023. Notably, Bitcoin's foray into the NFT sector with the introduction of BRC20 tokens and ordinals has spurred adoption, putting Ethereum's NFT platforms under significant pressure. Countries like El Salvador and Argentina are increasingly adopting Bitcoin, spurred by its growing global acceptance and geopolitical interest. This has led to a surge in Bitcoin fees, surpassing those of Ethereum, prompting questions about its sustainability and impact on Bitcoin's wider adoption. Bitcoin price prediction. This recent change places Bitcoin just below the pivotal mark of $43,865. The cryptocurrency now faces immediate resistance at $44,715 and $45,865, with significant support levels positioned at $41,615, $40,660, and $39,725. From a technical perspective, the Relative Strength Index RSI is currently at 52, reflecting a market sentiment that is neutral yet leaning towards the bullish side. Bitcoin price chart. Source: TradingView. The 50-day exponential moving average EMA for Bitcoin stands at $42,200, suggesting that the cryptocurrency is hovering just above a significant support level, hinting at a maintained short-term bullish inclination. A closer look at the chart patterns corroborates a sustained bullish trend above this EMA threshold. In summary, the overall trend for Bitcoin seems to be bullish as long as it stays above the $42,200 mark. In the near future, the digital currency is poised to test higher resistance levels, assuming it continues to trade above the 50 EMA. This scenario paints a picture of guarded optimism among investors as Bitcoin continues to navigate the often unpredictable waters of the cryptocurrency market. Top 15 cryptocurrencies to watch in 2023. Stay up to date with the world of digital assets by exploring our handpicked collection of the best 15 alternative cryptocurrencies and ICO projects to keep an eye on in 2023. Our list has been curated by professionals from industry talk and crypto news, ensuring expert advice and critical insights for your cryptocurrency investments. Take advantage of this opportunity to discover the potential of these digital assets and keep yourself informed. See the 15 cryptocurrencies disclaimer. Cryptocurrency projects endorsed in this article are not the financial advice of the publishing author or publication. Cryptocurrencies are highly volatile investments with considerable risk. Always do your own research. Enter your email for our free daily newsletter, a quick 3-minute read about today's crypto news. Sign up. This site is protected by reCAPTCHA and the Google privacy policy in terms of service supply. IMD SRC equals https://simg. co/p/ml300 jpeg alt equals image class equals imgid equals newsletter pop-up img.